I was just asked to speak in behalf of the Speaker, and sa tingin ko, from now on, so that people can access the office of the Speaker, you can course it through me or through our communications team in the House. No? The issues of the day, no, can be discussed by the office of the Speaker, again through me, no? In the event that the Speaker is not available. But of course, the Speaker would be more than willing to answer any questions from any of the friends in the media kapag ka nandiyan siya. In reaction to the statement made by si Congressman Barzaga, no? Tungkol dun sa sinabi niya kanina, of course, it is his right to say things like that. It is his own opinion. But as far as the office of the Speaker is concerned, because he mentioned the Speaker, hindi po nakikialam ang ating Speaker sa usapin ng partido, no? Dito sa ating mga miyembro sa mababang kapulungan. And if he recalls, no, if Congressman Barzaga would recall, when the Speaker took over the reins of the district when his late father, Kong P.D. Barzaga, passed away, hindi po nakikialam ang ating Speaker sa anumang proyekto na pinatupad dyan sa loob ng distrito ni Congressman Barzaga. Ang kanyang binigyang diin o binigyang pansin ay yung mga programa at mga activities that have been extended to the constituents of the 2nd District of Cavite. Doon lang limitado ang engagement ng ating Speaker. So if Congressman Barzaga would like to seek an audience with the Speaker at any given time, the Speaker would be available, no, to give him that time and discuss things or ask clarifications directly from the Speaker.